Hi viewers. Today I came a, a laptop repairing shop in Eastern Plus Market. I came here with repair my laptop, and he is Mr. Konok. He is well reputed uh, uh, laptop, I will say engineer. He repaired the laptop with his huge experience. He is staying here from I think 10 to 12 years or more.
15 years?
Oh, you
Almost
know,
15 years.
almost 15 years. I think he is hearing my voice and he knows also English well from me. I am running a YouTube channel and I am trying to motivate the people to learn English. Actually, English is essential for us. We also discussing with him and he also encourages the people to learn English for just speaking. And thus I am doing this video for you who are living surrounded this Shantinagar area. You can come here and repair your any electronics product. Yes,
Yes.
everything he can solve.
Smart TV, LED TV,
Okay, very
laptop,
good.
desktop,
Oh,
everything.
very good.
Everything.
He is so lovely people and he loves his job, and I think he will do your work with attentively. So that's all. Mama, tell me about my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Beyond Dhaka. It is a, I will say, learning English channel. You can search or you can comment here, or like here if you want to learn English, because you know how we learn English by hearing. Because you see, when we are child, we don't know Bangla, but when we are hearing our Bangla language, gradually we learn Bangla. So just learn the English voices and learn it. So pray
Yes.
for my channel
Yes.
and wish you best.
A thumbs up, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Goodbye.